The Kickstart tool supports automated, hands-free installations of Red Hat Enterprise Linux 5. I've discussed the configuration of this tool and associated configuration files in some detail in a couple of other videos. To sum up, whenever you install Red Hat Enterprise Linux 5, a template of that installation is saved in that root user's home directory in the anaconda-ks.cfg file. That file must be modified before it can be used, as the partition scheme is commented out by default. Not all systems have identical hardware, and one of the variations is in hard drive size. If you're configuring a bunch of virtual machines, it's possible, and in fact fairly easy, to set up a group of those machines with the same disk size. In that case, it may be appropriate to use the Kickstart configuration file pretty much as is. Just remove the comment codes for the partition scheme. Of course, if you configure individual systems with static host names and/or static IP addresses, you'll need to change those settings as well. Then you save that file as the ks.cfg file. You can then save that file on a media such as a floppy, an installation CD, or even a remote server shared through NFS, FTP, or HTTP. Let's say you want to place the Kickstart file, ks.cfg, on a central server shared via NFS in that server's KS directory. Assume, furthermore, that server has an IP address of 192.168.0.1. When you boot the new system from the first Red Hat Enterprise Linux 5 installation CD, and you get the boot prompt, type in the following directive to start the installation process with the Kickstart file that you saved.